So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make up to $200 per day using YouTube and Google. What's up, guys? It's Abe from ViralWhirl here. And before you watch this video, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, if you're interested in growing your own business, your own six-figure business right on YouTube without having a lot of subscribers, only 500 to 1,000 subscribers, then subscribe to my second channel. That's where I'll be showing you guys how you can do the exact same thing, how I do the exact same thing and make six figures right on my channel, and it's not with ad revenue. So go ahead and subscribe to that second channel. I'll be posting there frequently. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make up to $200 using Google and YouTube together, but it's mostly YouTube. So with this video, it's local SEO. So I'm sure most of you guys know what local SEO is. If you don't know what local SEO is, it's basically local SEO and selling leads. So local SEO is basically using local businesses. So let's say contractors, let's say doctors, lawyers, electricians, using those people and trying to rank them on Google and getting a payment every month from them, because you're getting them leads, okay? You're getting them leads to their business, so they pay you each month for that. But in this case, we're not using Google to rank, meaning we're not trying to start a website. We're not trying to rank that website on Google and using SEO. That's going to take a long time, and that's the old-fashioned way anyways, okay? I'm showing you guys the new way, which is on YouTube. So if you search something like rhinoplasty review, you're going to get this right here. You're going to get videos, okay? So right on Google, you're going to get people's YouTube videos, and that's a good thing. The reason why this is a good thing, because you could easily rank a video on YouTube for local SEO and get it ranked right on Google without working hard on SEO, without working hard on getting backlinks or anything like that, and just ranking a straight YouTube video right on Google. So what you would do here, the first step that you would do here is basically go ahead and find what niche you want to be in. So do you want to rank lawyers? Do you want to rank doctors, plastic surgeons, contractors, electricians, carpenters, whatever it is that you want to rank? Go ahead and find your niche. So for this example, I'm going to use lawyers, okay? I'm going to use lawyers, and then once you chose the niche, you're going to choose the city that you want to be in. So lawyers, for this example, I chose Clearwater, Florida. So I've already recorded this video before, but the screen wasn't recording that, and I'm doing it all over again. So yeah, that's why you already see the writing. So I'm using Clearwater, Florida, for example. Clearwater, Florida, lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. We want to narrow it even more down. So lawyers is basic. We want to do immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. So for example, if we search immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida, you're going to get a bunch of lawyers, okay? So a bunch of lawyers in Clearwater, Florida, the 10 best immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. So that's what I'm looking for. So these are the top 10 best immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. So what I would do here is basically go on YouTube, make a video, and title it Top 10 Immigration Lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. And I would make that video, I would upload it, I would give it some good tags, a good title. It already has a good title because you're using the keyword in it, which is immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. That's your local SEO keyword. So you already have that. And I would give it a good description that's SEO friendly. Tags, again, I already talked about that, and give it a nice thumbnail. And hopefully it does rank. It will rank because you don't have a lot of competition in this field. You don't have a lot of competition. You don't have a lot of lawyers. Lawyers are not tech savvy to be uploading videos like this on YouTube, okay? So what you do is upload that video on YouTube, top 10 immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida, and try to get it ranked. If it does get ranked, it's going to show up just like this, just like I showed you guys with this rhinoplasty review. It's going to come up on one of these videos. And if it gets ranked on Google in this video section, that's a really good thing, because what you're going to do then is go up to these lawyers, all these lawyers that you have in your video, the top 10 best, quote-unquote, best immigration lawyers. You contact them, okay? Send them an email, shoot them an email, or you could call them on the phone if you're comfortable with that. If you're not comfortable with calling them on the phone, just email them, okay? Email them. Tell them, I have a video on Google that's ranked for the top 10 immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. And would you like to pay a fee each month? Would you like to pay a fee each month? And I'll put your link in the description so people know where to contact you at. I'm pretty sure most of them are going to be more than happy, more than willing to do that, to pay you a fee each month of maybe $150 to $200 each month for them to be on your list. They'll pay for it, okay? Especially if it's ranked on Google and YouTube, especially that. So imagine you have 10 people paying you $200 to $150 each month. That's minimum $1,500 each month from just this one video, okay? That's ranking the top 10 immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida, okay? Imagine you expand and you scale up and you do it to other lawyers across the country, or you do it for divorce lawyers or lawyers for intellectual property. Imagine you scale up and do it for all that, or plastic surgeons, or rhinoplasty, veneers, the top 10 places you could get veneers in Hollywood, Florida, the top 10 places you could get veneers in Dallas, Texas. Imagine you do that. I don't see those videos popping up on YouTube a lot, and even if they do, they're like shitty videos that are coming from the doctor's office or the lawyer's office that they're not even tech savvy enough to make these types of videos or even rank them, okay? They don't know what type of keywords to use. They don't know what type of tags to use. But you have that, okay? If you watch this video on the right of your screen, I'm going to put it up on the right of your screen. I have a video up that shows you how to rank a video through tags, through keywords, through SEO titles. I show you how to do all that. So all you got to do is find your niche and find the area that you want to operate in. So find that niche, whether it's plastic surgeon, whether it's contractors, whether it's plumbers. But the best people that pay the most is lawyers, doctors, plastic surgeons. Those are the ones that are going to be paying you a higher fee. You can find landscaping also, the best landscaping in Detroit, Michigan, whatever, and go from there. So like I said, it's easy as that, and you don't have to worry about ranking on Google through a website, because ranking on Google through a website is really hard these days. Even with local SEO used to be really easy to rank a website up in like 2 weeks. It used to be really easy to do that, but it got harder. A lot of people are doing it and they're selling leads. And if you want to do something advanced, you could go advanced and even sell leads and make more money, okay? You could basically do that top 10 video, or do a video of the best immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida, and then link to an opt-in page. That opt-in page is going to be a page where you give them a quote. So, for example, if people are looking for divorce lawyers, they go to your video, and on the description of your video, it's going to say, go here to get a quote on how much we charge, or whatever, charge an hour, how much we're going to charge you for your case. And then people go, they enter their email, they enter their phone number, and that's a lead right there, okay? That's a lead. You could sell that lead to lawyers. You could sell those leads to landscapers. You could sell those leads to electricians, and you could use those leads and sell them. But that's more advanced. In the beginning, you want to do it simple. You want to be simple with everything. Just go for something like immigration lawyers, the top 10 immigration lawyers in a small city. Okay, don't go for big cities like LA or New York. Do not go for big cities, because the competition is going to be big over there. Just go for small cities, okay? Go for small cities and try to get these videos ranked, okay? Try to get 5 to 10 videos ranked just like this. So what I would do basically is make 5 to 10 videos, and each one of these videos, okay, is going to be in a different city. So top 10 immigration lawyers in Clearwater, Florida. Top 10 immigration lawyers in Houston, Texas. Top 10 immigration lawyers in Sacramento. Top 10 immigration lawyers in San Francisco. Top 10 immigration lawyers. So basically top 10 videos in every different city of immigration lawyers, and try to get each video ranked. Okay, so once you get those videos ranked and they actually show up on Google in the videos tab, you could contact these people, contact these lawyers, and see if they're willing to pay for you to put their link in the description. Most of them are going to be more than happy to pay to get a referral, okay? These people, These lawyers, these doctors always want a referral because they make lots of money off one referral. Imagine a plastic surgeon or a rhinoplasty surgeon just paying you $150 each month for you to put his link in the description. If he gets one client in 3 months, that pays for like the whole year of that service. So it's really valuable to them. The leads are really valuable to these lawyers and these doctors. So that's it, guys. If you have any more questions about this, make sure to comment them down below, or you could email me. Okay, go to my email, go to the contact page on YouTube, email me, and I'll try to get these questions answered in my other videos, or make a whole video on it, whatever you want. If you want another video on local SEO on YouTube and Google, I could do that. I could show you guys how you set up a whole opt-in page on ClickFunnels to get leads and sell those leads, how you could sell those leads. I could do that for you guys. If you guys are interested in that, comment that down below, or just message me on through email, message me through Instagram, through Twitter, all that, and I'll try to get back to everyone either on a video or through email. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And that's it for today, guys.